Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your headphones JLAB GOWORK on your iPhone. So, to check battery level we need to add the widget. To add the widget you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Now you have two options, or you can just scroll down and click at the batteries, or you can use the search and write batteries here and tap right here at the batteries line. And right here we have 3 presets. You need to select the best one for you and then click at widget. So right here you can check the battery level anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected with your phone. And that's it. These headphones have a dedicated application, so we cannot use the app to check battery level, only the widget. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!